up an unusual heat signature a couple of clicks off coast a few hours ago. That's all I've got.
What sort of retrieval are we talking about?
That's classified.
Can't sound right, little housing.
Trzeba jej zaszyć wodę. Na możliwe nas dopuszczać. Liam!
Another hostile from Dirk's dead. Headed towards the wreck. Think we're gonna have to sleep for the fight. Treba do te troški. Hoćeš da predamo na plaž.
Damo napred.
What I heard.
It was an ambush. Both choppers down. Hostiles are organized and heavily armed.
This is MI6. We're taking control of this mission effective immediately. Are you injured?
I'll live.
Good, because we need your help. What's your name, soldier?
Bond.
Oh, you're not SAS.
They're crewmen.
In training. We'll have to make do. I need you to be our eyes and ears on site. Do you see a camp?
No, but there's some light coming from the other side of the mountain.
That's it. Get there.
Must be a way up. Gotta be a way over there.
What's the map? I'll check it out.
Are you sure you're up for this? Adrenaline can mask even significant damage.
Better keep those levels up then.
What is it?
Just taking in the view.
Tell me what you see.
It looks like the hostiles are heading back to the camp.
Tell me about them.
They're an international group, speaking English but with accents, capable and well organized. Ex-military. Firearms are unfamiliar, I guess. Special issue.
That's good. Keep your eyes peeled.
Tell me, why is MI6 getting involved here?
The retrieval camp has been compromised. How and by whom is what I need your help figuring out.
Yeah, but why MI6?
That's classified.
Okay. Well, who's running the retrieval mission then?
Also classified.
How can I help if I don't know what's going on?
By doing exactly what I tell you.
Yes, Mom.
okay to the camp?
Not yet. I hope I'll see it when I clear the top. Retrieval mission? Of what exactly? Alien technology?
Not quite.
What then?
How long were you in the water for?
You're dodging the question.
And you're hypothermic. Get to the camp and find some warm clothes. I need you operational.
You and me both. Fingers are the first to go.
What?
In the cold. First they hurt, then nothing.
Right.
I see some perimeter markers.
Good. You're close to the camp.
Fingers and toes. Water certainly doesn't help.
You're in water again.
Better than getting spotted. Freezing.
Rig the entire camp and perimeter.
Enough to level this place.
Yeah. Huh. This one's armed.
They are all armed.
Thank you, MI6.
Saves us the trouble.
MI6 explosives. You're the ones running the retrieval mission.
Not officially.
And you set up a grid of high explosives covering the whole area.
It's a post-mission cleanup measure. Thermochemical sterilization. I didn't want you to get worried.
Chemical sterilization. What's to worry about?
Thermo. And it's quite safe. What's not, however, is you still out in the cold.
Yes, I know. There's a window here I could get through. That'll do.
Good news?
Parker.
Stigo se. Gde si bio do sada?
Opusti se. Stižem za sekund.
You speak Serbian.
Montenegrin. Picked up a few phrases while mountain climbing there.
A man of hidden talents. Now, let's figure out who these hostiles are.
Already on it. I found a receipt in the jacket. Berlin Cafe, November 17th. Paid in cash.
Interesting. Keep it coming.
Someone's lying here. He's been shot.
Vitals?
I found one of their guns.
What kind?
It's a TXK biome. Serial's gone.
Discontinued. Also, it's biometrically locked.
Brilliant. He's dead. Foster. One of yours?
Senior engineer. Keep going.
Heading into the camp now.
Don't draw attention to yourself.
Lighter inscription. S. Popovich.
Good. Too common a name. Keep looking.
Patch. Red and white checkers.
In this context, could reference Croatia.
Com device. Military-grade layered encryption.
Hard to come by.
Rocket launcher. Serial 394 KLB 211.
The launcher is part of a US shipment stolen in Algiers 9 years ago.
That was fast.
Keep digging. We're not done.
Shit!
Hey! What you doing?
I barely brushed that thing, and it started moving. Hey! You! Back this up for me. The boat's right there. Damn thing! Where's Jovan when you need him?
Wasn't up for it this time. Those 9 mil lost on the German job. And that cleanup, that was mess. Hey! Got to see this! Come on, let's check it out.
You've got this, right? Good man.
And some of them just mentioned a messy German job. 9 million lost.
Hang on. I know exactly who we're up against. A Balkan gang of thieves known as Arrowhead. Notorious for never leaving any witnesses. Listen, I'm going to ask you to enter the big central tent. But what you learn in there can never be mentioned to anyone. Understood?
Heading there now.
I'm serious, Bond. You haven't signed the Official Secrets Act. I need to hear you say that you accept and acknowledge its ramifications.
I accept and acknowledge. Entering now. Any bombs I should know of?
None you should know of. No.
So, lay it on me.
I can't. You're still on a need-to-know basis.
Figures.
Mission Protocol Grey Envelope forbids any overwrite mention at this encryption level. I'll not discuss any specifics. Now, do you see the object?
I'm afraid that's classified.
Touché.
What's that noise?
What?
Distortion. Oscillating. Door. Now it's gone. I'm looking at the thing now. Or what's left of it.
I need you to look for the OBC unit inside.
OBC. And that is?
Right. Onboard computer. The size of a shoebox, probably suspended in some shock-absorbent webbing.
It's gone.
Damn. Have a look around the tent for it.
On it.
What is it?
I don't feel well.
Just keep looking.
Are you sure it's completely sealed? It's sealed. Come on.
Someone's coming. They're wearing hazmat suits. Should I worry?
Give me a sec.
We got what we came for. Let's get the hell out of here. We get on the Zap and in 3 weeks, strike gold in Brazil. Works for me. The others are preparing the final cleanup now. Ever been to Brazil? First time. What's it like?
Bob, did you mention sound distortion before?
Yeah.
I need you to do exactly as I say. Do you see the red door? Head for it. Right now.
What?
You need an antidote. You've been exposed to a nerve agent.
What's this?
Decontamination.
What exactly am I looking for?
A green box with a bright orange stripe. Probably tucked away somewhere.
Which one?
What?
There's two of them.
The orange one. Do not use the other one.
Here goes nothing. God,
Bond? You okay?
that might be pushing it. What next?
Have a little rest and then get to somewhere safe. You've done great. We'll have an extraction team pick you up in about an hour.
They still have that thing you're after and they're about to leave.
Yes, and we'll let them. Thanks to you, we've been able to deduce exactly who the buyer is, where they'll be meeting, and at what time. We'll intercept in a controlled environment with no risk to the asset. You just get out of the camp